I am going to work on a cool acoustic guitar rhythm for you. So I know I remember being a beginner student and really being challenged by getting that percussive sound as I strummed, you know, and patting the head and circling the belly all, you know, to put it all together. And so that's the rhythm I'm going to teach you right now. And I'm going to try and do, I'm going to try and break it down really slow for you. And we're going to start doing that right now, but I'm going to zoom in because you want to look at this, right? Okay, we'll just start from square one. We've got a G chord. That's just what I started with. We're really focusing on our right hand here. But you got a G chord. I was playing it with these fingers because I like to be able to go to C. So start with a G chord. You can play it either way, and I'll count us off, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up.